Hello, my name is Ashley Crook, and this is a podcast for instructional material and web-based instructional design for the Franciscan University of Steubenville. With the rapid increase in technology, there is a need for the more frequent use of Web 2.0 tools. These tools are relatively new, and they represent a difference in how society uses the internet and information available to us. Web 1.0 tools are a thing of the past and involved little two-way communication. People had the ability to access information, but did not have much opportunity of interacting with others. Many of the items had to be purchased and loaded onto computers. With the increased use of Web 2.0 tools, this is continuing to change. Web 2.0 sites created the framework for user participation, where a site's primary content was contributed by its users. Web 2.0 has moved the internet from our traditional one-way information flow to a two-way conversation in which collaborating, creating, and contributing can all take place through tools such as blogs, wikis, and twittering. Web 2.0 allows for two-way communication and interaction. Instead of working alone, people now have many opportunities to interact and collaborate with one another at little or no cost. Almost everyone can access the internet in some way or another, and therefore can access a wide variety of resources. By just lowering the barriers to accessing information, the internet did not dramatically change life. It was not until people began to create that information that something amazing happened. A world began in which people became creators. They can start a blog and upload and share photos and videos. Here is a visual comparison of Web 1.0 versus 2.0 tools and changes that occurred from 1996 to 2006. Next, take a look at just a few Web 2.0 tools that are available. This shift has been seen much in the business world, where the majority of employees has and uses computers for their jobs. Employees conference via the internet with others across the country or even across the globe. Accessibility and low cost allows for participants to compete in business and commerce. Time and distance are no longer issues for workers. They can use blogs, emails, and a wide variety of tools to communicate and collaborate from virtually anywhere that has internet access. Web 2.0 plays to the strengths of educators, curiosity and love of learning by opening the doors to collaboration and participation. It encourages the design to share what you know and to learn from your colleagues. Embracing Web 2.0 is an extension of the attempts that educators have made to use the internet to connect, collaborate, and create since the days of bulletin boards. So for many educators, it's incredibly exciting, but it can also be intimidating and confusing. This shift has not been a primary focus in the traditional educational model. Many educational institutions still focus on the teacher-centered model instead of the student-centered model. Education is still very focused on content and memorization rather than on critical thinking and creativity. This needs to shift, and more of an emphasis needs to be placed on learning and innovation, information media and technology skills, and life and career skills. Students today are digital natives and have grown up with access to technology as a part of their lives. They use technology day in and day out for personal reasons. They're able to network with friends no matter where their location. And their use of technology needs to be embedded in the educational system so that students can connect their personal lives to their learning. Educators need to teach students how to be productive members of society in a globally competitive world. Many new jobs are made possible by Web 2.0 tools that most of us would have never imagined. Students need to be taught these technological skills so that they will be better prepared to enter the workforce. Steve Hargadon, a social learning consultant from Illuminate, stated, "As we move through the 21st century, it's essential that educators themselves experience the Web 2.0 world so that they are able to understand the impact that it has. Web 2.0 is how the majority of their students will approach learning. Our most important technological tools reshape our expectations and change what's possible, and this is especially true of Web 2.0. Here are the references used for this podcast. And thank you for watching.